Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Kumar Nath, a student of Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Tezpur University, Assam. Program C4D, Rule number MCD 20005. This is the case study for our paper Participatory Audio and Video Production, and paper code is CD422. In this video, I am going to present the case study of a community radio initiative called Radio Namaskar. So in this presentation, I will try to give an introduction to Radio Namaskar, objectives of Radio Namaskar, visions of Radio Namaskar, innovation and creative approaches of Radio Namaskar, programs of Radio Namaskar, partners of Radio Namaskar, and awards of Radio Namaskar. So Radio Namaskar is a community radio initiative which was established at Konark. Konark is an internationally renowned tourist place for Sun Temple. To make the common people informative and active participant of the community development process, it will ensure overcoming social problem through a community-owned process, through deployment of oriented personnel and sensitizing the beneficiary mass, and will enable the general public to have access to each other's views and ideas directly through a network of communication, and can be able to have direct and immediate access to ensure redressal of grievance as well as finalization of local based issues of state and national importance. This will be possible in coordination with mass media of the state and even in coordination with the state elites of the state, that includes people from different streams of society who do have common and interest in different matters of common interest. This will ultimately augment the communication and knowledge transformation process in a well regulated but related manner. Radio Namaskar is established by Young India, a civil society organization formed by some national youth awardees, Indira Gandhi NSS awardees, and ex NSS volunteers. Those are committed to the cause of social transformation and development. So, community is involved in all spheres of Radio Namaskar. So, there are some objectives of Radio Namaskar: to promote communicable link among the proposed villages, to develop an enabling environment for all time connection among them that will ensure flow of information, benefits, and access to all amenities and benefits for the targeted people. Promote a group of trained and organized youth women from target group who will sustain the momentum of project. So democracy aspects is ensure access to information, amenities and benefits packages provided by government. Ensure above benefits quite affordable for the people who are unable to avail that from private source. Enable the beneficiaries to share and communicate their problems in democratic manner with redressal agents. Freedom of expression. So freedom of expression is easy access to information in cheap and cost effective manner. All time freedom to receive and send information in communicable manner. People have the access to express and share their views with any person as feasible. They will have the freedom to express their views without any fear and favor. Improvement in the communication capacity. improvement in the communication capacity is a clear, less time consuming, of affordable and all time available access to information and improvement of knowledge and skills, etc. Easy access to information and knowledge will lead to improvement in knowledge and skill scope for skill mix among the government and non-government stakeholders. Scope for transmission of knowledge to unreachable areas through quickest possible means. Scope for replication in terms of transmission of knowledge and multiplication of impact, better and easy access of information, and requisite matter for early redressal of grievances and proper management people skill and local resources in cost effective and time saving manner. Innovation and creative approaches of Radio Namaskar. All the team members are groomed from community. Most of the team members are volunteering. They did not recruit any professional staffs. They don't need audition in Radio Namaskar. 80% programs comes from community. The village listener units finalize the content and concept. They use music songs from community singers. All their jingle and filler musics are based with folk music. A dedicated phone line with an auto recording system has been taken with the station to directly involve community members. Radio Namaskar has its own web portal with audio links to programs. Social networking sites are used to expand its reach. In order to promote community radio process in the country, Radio Namaskar does its bit with Community Radio Association of India. Programs of Radio Namaskar. Sasabasa Katha. Sasabasa Katha is a magazine on agriculture. This is the interactive session among local farmers and experts. Janasosna. Janasosna is the information about government, welfare schemes, programs, act, citizen entitlements, etc. Halachal. Halachal is an interactive discussion on local programs and happenings. Ajira Nari. Ajira Nari is the women based program with information on women rights, issues, gender concerns, and day to day information on women in society. Yuva Varta. Yuva Varta is the youth based program basing upon career, sports, volunteerism, better citizenship, etc. Chala Gaon Ko Jiba. Chala Gaon Ko Jiba is an interactive program on village with situation, problem, issues, generally recorded from PO, CBO, SHG, VO, etc. Angya Namaskar. Angya Namaskar is the interview with noted personalities, citizens from community on different issue based topics. Chithu Paishu. Chithu Paishu is the listener's letter presentation. Shishu Raja. Shishu Raja is the children based weekly episode. Salah School Ku Jiba. Salah School Ku Jiba is the campaign to reduce school dropout in school. Mita Pai Gita Tai. Mita Pai Gita Tai is a cultural program by for the listeners to be produced from community. It promotes sharing and coordination among listeners. Janata Darbar. It means citizens courts. The program is the people forum to raise voice of voiceless through radio. Janile Geneva. It is the special daily episode based on the women health and nutrition. Partners of Radio Namaskar, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of India, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, New Delhi, Department of Agriculture, Government of Odisha, Department of Tourism and Culture, Government of Odisha, Action Aid India, One World Foundation, New Delhi, Commonwealth Education Media Center for Asia, New Delhi, eNGO Network, New Delhi, Community Radio Association, India, World Association of Community Radio Broadcasters. Awards received by Radio Namaskar. Odisha's first community radio Namaskar gets first National Community Radio Awards from the Ministry of State Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, and also Radio Namaskar gets first prize in two categories, that is thematic and community engagement. Radio Namaskar received Manthan South Asia Award 2011. Radio Namaskar has been judged as a winner in the community broadcasting category at the recently held Manthan South Asia 2011 Awards in New Delhi. Radio Namaskar has bagged Ambilion South Asia Award for its effective broadcasting with integration of mobile technology with radio. Radio Namaskar also received three national awards from Prakash Javadekar, Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, in various categories at the 7th Community Radio Sanmelan at New Delhi. Two first prizes received in thematic and national awards for Community Radio 2018 for its program Amma Khaidya, and in community engagement category of national awards for Community Radio 2019 for its program Amma Priya Pakhala. Radio Namaskar won third prize in creative category of national awards for Community Radio 2018 for its program Sisu Hasile Dunia Hasiba. Aspects of social sense of Radio Namaskar. Women's status. We all know that women play a pivotal role in the development of any country. Women's status is the best indicator of progress of any nation. Status and development of women influence the development of country, as they not only constitute half of its population but also influence growth of the remaining half of its population. The women in rural areas are deprived of minimum facilities like health, education, information, and many more. Right information given at the right time can empower the rural women and protect them from various problems. The Radio Namaskar as a participatory medium of communication is used for empowerment of rural women. Youth for Development. Youth for Development is a philosophy emphasizing the uniquely symbiotic nature of youth development to community development by situating the two practices in a common framework. It combines the natural instincts of young people as they desire to create change in their surrounding environments by developing partnership with like-minded organizations to serve their communities while developing their personal abilities. Radio Namaskar provides training and fair monitoring to young people who have an interest in radio content, production and management. They don't recruit any professional staffs but train the local youth who are operating this community radio. Food security. India's high economic growth rate in the past decade has not been fully reflected in the health status of its people. With 22% of its population undernourished, it is at times assumed that the relationship between economic growth and health is underdirectional, with improving economic conditions leading to better health. India bears the ignominy of housing the largest population of malnourished in the world. Awareness of the prevailing situation in India today and understanding the dimensions of food security can help drive home this point better. Nothing can bring out the social responsibility, role of community radio, than the challenge of covering mass deprivation and building a public agenda to overcome massive social deficits on the food and nutrition fronts. Radio Namaskar has been playing a more informative and insightful proactive role in educating the community on the vital issues and stake and possible solutions. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening.